What is the deal, beautiful people? It's your boy Ramon, Lifestyles Defined. We are in the building with another banger from Hartley. And you may have seen these guys on the channel before, but just in case you are not familiar with the dopeness that is Hartley, let me give you an excerpt from the Our Story section of their website. Our influence at Hartley Watches is to focus upon creating aesthetically pleasing modern timepieces, which stay true to our classical foundation. So what you're looking at here is part of their new collection. This particular watch is called the Voyager I. Now, I've often said I'm not a fan of gold watches. And I've seen so many different contrasts and variations of it, but this just works. So it's this gold watch with this gold mesh blend and a black face. It's just something about it that works. And of course, you've got your Roman numerals around the face. Like, okay. So taking a look at the specs, it's a Japanese quartz movement. So yes, it's going to be reliable. There is a hardened mineral crystal face there, so it can resist some minor scratches. The case itself is stainless steel. The diameter of the case is 42 millimeters, so it's not a particularly big watch, but it's not small either. So this is going to be good for both him and her. It's also water resistant up to 50 meters. So if you got wearing a watch like this, if you need to do some James Bond madness and take a swim from the bad guys in your tuxedo, well, there you go. And then there's the band. So I used to refer to these as these Milanese straps. I don't know what the official term is, but here Hartley calls it a mesh metal band. And yeah, I've never seen one this bold of a gold. And it really does match the entire watch really well. And like I said, with this mesh gold band, the gold case, the black face inside, you got the Hartley H and the Hartley right under it. And then you see your Roman numerals, notches, the hands and second minute hands. Those are all in gold. It does a really good job at bringing the watch together as a whole. And then, of course, you see that little date window there, so that's a plus. And, of course, I would be remiss if I don't mention the quick release part of the strap. Wow, such a big deal, because I know I went on Amazon and bought me one of those crazy watch kits, and I took apart all my watches, and to this day I got about 6 watches with no straps on them because I can't figure out how to get it back on. It's not easy to change these straps, people. Thank you, Hartley, for looking out and including that quick release. Now, sure, you may be looking at this watch and saying, yeah, how much does it cost? I tell you, Hartley does a really good job at having I would say, a very tasteful piece at a very attractive price point. So this guy is going for $110, and I'm pretty sure they'll be running some holiday specials or what have you. But yeah, I really like how well put together this watch is in terms of the materials, in terms of the look, the feel, the contrast of the colors. And then if you hit the website, they've got so many other different variations of this one. Yes, I think this piece is dope, but I want to know what you guys think as well. Hit the comment section below. Tell me if you're digging it. The link to purchase will also be down there in the description, along with all of our other YouTube channels, our tech channel, our sneaker channel, and our gaming channel. So check those out as well. And make sure you check Hartley for some other variations. And they've got quite a few collections at this point. So I'm pretty sure you'll find something that you like. It's your boy Ramon. I'm out of here. Peace. Well, I guess, and the reason we started Lifestyles Defined is because if we weren't on camera arguing about these things, the technologies, the phones, the iPhones, the Androids, the cameras, the games, we'd be on the phone arguing about it. We'd be in each other's houses arguing about it. So why not just put it in front of a camera for everyone to enjoy it the way we do. That's what Lifestyles Defined is all about. We just